Darlings, this is how to create power eyes with my new Stars in Your Eyes palette. 3 golden shades for a glimmering eye look, matched with superstar lips in Walk of Shame. Blend the prime shade from the lash line to the brow bone. Using your smudger brush, brighten the inner corner of your eyes. Blend the enhanced shade across your eyelid and pat the mesmerising molten textures into your skin. Sweep the smoke shade into your socket and outer corner of your eye, creating an exaggerated V shape. Add intensity along the lash lines with a smudge brush. Create a cat eye with my classic pencil in Audrey, a dark brown eyeliner pencil for a soft, subtle, blendable line. After using my life-changing eyelash curlers, apply Legendary Lashes Mascara in Volume 2 for 507% more volume. I love using it on the top and bottom lashes for a wide-eyed effect. Add definition to your facial framework with my Film Star Bronze and Glow. And skin gild everywhere from cheekbone to collarbone with my new Bar of Gold highlighting powder. For kiss-worthy lips, apply a slick of my superstar lips in my best-selling berry-hued Walk of Shame in a glossy new formula. It's the perfect lip to complement the Power Eyes look. Your magical, mood-enhancing, gold-inspired look is complete. Get ready to take on the world. Shop the full look and all of my cosmic gifts now at charlottetilbury.com.